Hi everyone! In this video we're going to make a ghost pumpkin bookmark perfect for spooky season. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have the best time reading the books you're going to bookmark with it. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Let's start by crocheting the ghost. To make the magic ring, wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this to make an X shape. Hold it here, turn your hand and hold it with your pinky. Insert your hook underneath the first line of yarn, grab the second one, pull under and twist. Grab this piece of yarn and pull through. Your magic ring is ready to go. You can adjust the size by pulling on this thread. Now we're going to work one single crochet in the ring. In the second loop of that single crochet, make another single crochet. I'm going to mark this stitch at the top. Now go ahead and insert 5 double crochets and 8 treble crochets in the ring. Now we are going to close the ring, so hold on to your work and pull on this thread tightly to close the center, and now slip a stitch in the stitch you marked in the beginning. Your first round is complete. For the next round, start with a half double crochet in this very first stitch over here. You don't have to mark this stitch. Now we are going to work one single crochet in the next stitch and then slip a stitch in the following 2 stitches. One slip a stitch and another one in the next stitch. Insert one single crochet in the next one and mark it. One half double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, one single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then we are going to follow this pattern. So in the next stitch, work 1 double crochet, 2 treble crochets, and 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, we are going to work 1 half double crochet, 2 treble crochets, and 1 half double crochet. In the following stitch, work 1 half double crochet, 2 treble crochets, and 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, insert 1 half double crochet, 2 treble crochets, and 1 double crochet. Work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So this stitch over here is your slip stitch from the round before, skip that one, and go into the first half double crochet of the round that you marked and slip stitch. This part of the ghost is done, so cut the yarn. And now we are going to get started on the hats. Make a magic ring. You can use this method or the one we used for the ghost. Now we are going to work one single crochet in this ring and then close it. I'm going to mark this one. Turn your work to start the next round and chain 3. Mark the third chain. And then we are going to insert 3 double crochets in that stitch. Turn your work and chain 2. As you can see, we have 4 stitches here. Insert 1 double crochet in the first stitch, chain 2, and now we are going to attach the hat to the ghost. We have 4 stitches at the top of your ghost. The first one is the one we marked, and we are going to attach 4 of them to the 4 in the hat. So insert your hook in that same stitch, and then go ahead and insert your hook in the stitch you marked at the top. This is the front of your ghost. Go through the stitch and now slip a stitch. Now let's attach the next stitches. So go through the next stitch on the hat and into the next stitch on the ghost and make another slip stitch. Insert your hook in the next stitch on the hat and the next one on the ghost and make another slip stitch. And now go through that chain we marked and through the next stitch on the ghost over here and make a final slip stitch. This is how it looks so far. Chain 2 and work 1 double crochet in that same stitch. Chain 1 and slip a stitch in the same stitch. Your ghost wearing a witch hat is all done. You can go ahead and cut the yarn and pull the tails to the back. Now let's make the pumpkin. Start with a magic ring. So just wrap the yarn around your finger like this to make an X shape. Hold it here and here. Go underneath the first line of yarn, grab the second one, pull under and twist. Then grab this piece of yarn and pull through. This counts as your first chain. Work 1 single crochet in the ring. In the second loop of that single crochet, make another single crochet. This counts as your first double crochet. Now insert 11 double crochets in the ring so you have 12 in total. Now that you have your 12 double crochets, hold on to your work and pull on this thread to close the center, and then slip a stitch in the first double crochet. For the next round, we are going to skip the first stitch over here, go into the second one, and make a half double crochet and a double crochet. In each of the following 3 stitches, work 2 double crochets. And then insert 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Slip a stitch in the following stitch, and we are going to repeat this pattern from the start. So in the next stitch, work 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. In each of the next 3 stitches, work 2 double crochets. And in the last one, insert 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Slip a stitch in the next stitch. And now we are going to add the stem, so go ahead and cut the yarn. As you can see, we have this space at the top of your pumpkin over here. So go ahead and insert your hook in that space, pull up a loop, and chain 2. Hold this tail in the back. In the second chain from your hook, work 1/2 double crochet. Then chain 1 and slip a stitch where you started your chain from. We are going to attach the ghost to the pumpkin with a chain string. So in the bottom of your ghost, in the back, pick any loop and insert your hook there, pull up a loop, leave a very small tail and start chaining. Chain as many as you want until you have the length of your book. And then you're going to pick any loop in the back of your pumpkin. I'm going to pick this one and slip a stitch here. Tie a knot with the tail from your stem. And then I'm going to weave in this tail in this part of my ghost. And your ghost bookmark is all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I hope you have the best time reading the books you're going to bookmark with it.